Today I'm going to show you a really quick and easy fix if you have a worn out or broken shift boot in your Mazda RX-7.
Seriously, I just had it.
When I pulled the transmission out to do the clutch, I noticed that my shift boot was in pretty awful shape. While I had everything apart, I decided to go with a G-Racing short shifter, which stands a little bit taller than the stock shifter. So where my shift boot is here, the other shifter, the hardware, actually sits up about 2.5 inches higher than stock. So when I went to replace my worn out one with a newer one, it wouldn't fit down on it. I went to Home Depot and I bought a cheap $3 plunger. And I measured the diameter of the stand of the new shifter, and then I etched it out, cut off the part that I didn't need, and I'm going to just show you really quick how I installed this guy in order to make it work, just so that I'm not having exhaust fumes come up into my cabin, because my external wastegate kind of dumps right near the front of the transmission, so all those fumes were coming up into the cabin, and it was kind of stinky. So quick note on the plunger: it is a sink and drain plunger. It is not for toilets. It is about 4.5 inches in diameter, and it actually has a smaller lip that comes down on the inside the whole way around, so it'll actually grip over top of the stock setup that you have going on. So just make sure you're not getting a toilet plunger, because otherwise you'll have problems. Here's the short shifter, and you can see this is where the boot kind of wore out and fell apart, and this is the stock one, and I can't stretch it down over far enough to get a good seal on there. So with the plunger, what I did is, like I said, I cut out this inner portion here, and it's kind of difficult to get around there the whole way. So if you invert it and flip it like that and get it over top of this guy, and just push it down around the sides, it makes a good tight seal around there. And then of course you can throw your other cover over top of that, just for noise reduction or whatever you want to do. But I just thought that was a pretty neat way, and for $4 at Home Depot you can get yourself a plunger and just fix that guy up and keep some of the fumes out. By the way, if you're looking for a quick and easy and awesome upgrade, these G-Racing shifters are absolutely awesome. G-Racing, contact Keith, go to gracing.com. I mean, the throw left to right, it's an inch either way, and it's got to be like 2.5 inches, and it has taken all the slop out of the shifting mechanism completely, and it's super close and nice and tight, and I cannot wait to go on a test drive with this thing in the car. Thanks for joining us today. Hopefully you can fix your shift boot with a $3 plunger from Home Depot. And again, check out those G-Racing shifters. They're pretty awesome. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.